Okay, so this is MrBeast Riddle Challenge Step 0, and yeah, let's just start it. So I finished the challenge on my channel, but in real time, but I'm gonna grade this on step by step right now. And yeah, so this is step 0. You're gonna watch MrBeast the announcement, and you're gonna get the first link for this one. So that's step 1. So this is step 0. You're gonna watch the entire video, and this is very important because there's so many like clue on this one. You're not gonna solve this without watching step 0 on this one. And yeah, so like, where's the kanji thing? And it's so very important, you should watch this. And yeah, so this is step 0. Watch this first. I'm gonna give the link for the on this video on MrBeast. And yeah, see you in the next step. Okay, so how to solve MrBeast Riddle step 1. So go to my step 0, you go to this link, and you're gonna get your purse, this one. So click this, and yeah, so that's how you're gonna solve the step 1. It's on the description, click that. And yeah, so that's how you're gonna solve your step number 1. So I'm gonna give the description. I'm gonna put this on the description so you can follow more easily. Yeah, see you in the next step. Okay, so we're back on MrBeast Riddle step 2. So how we're gonna solve step 2? It's on the description, and click this one. I'm gonna give the link for the description for this one. Yeah, so that's how we're gonna solve step 2 for MrBeast Riddle. So okay, so the answer for MrBeast Riddle step number 3 is you're gonna go to this link, right? So you're gonna pick this one. So J10FKE8Z8WY. So I'm gonna put this on the description, and you access this. And yeah, so that's how we're gonna solve step number 3 for MrBeast. And yeah, see you in the next step on step number 4. So yeah. Okay, so we're back on step number 4. So if you stop on the 6 minutes and 8 seconds, you're gonna see the link on the down. So you need to access that. I'm gonna give the link to the description so you can follow. So if you access that, and you're gonna go to the next step. So yeah, so I'm gonna put the link and the URL for that one so you can follow, and see you in the next step. Yeah, I'm gonna put the link for that one too. Okay, so MrBeast step number 5, how we gonna do it? It's a Morse number. Okay, so how are you gonna bypass that? The answer is this. It's saveourbowl.com. If you access that, you're on the next step. Yeah, so that's how you're gonna pass step 4, right? So yeah, I'm gonna write all the description for this one. And yeah, see you on the next step. Okay, so we're back on the tutorial, and on step number 6 you need to go to the description on this one, mrriddle.com/register, and you need to register. So you register, and we're gonna go to the step number 7 so we can access our phone right now. So this self-explanatory, you need to build this up. And yeah, see you in the next step so we can move now to the next step. Okay, so MrBeast Riddle step number 7. So after you register, put your information, you're gonna be on this mrriddle.com/phone. So this is the starting point from now on. And yeah, so if you pass step 6 after you register, you're gonna get this. Okay, so something like that. And yeah, so that's step number 7. It's so straightforward. After you register, you're on this mrriddle.com/phone. And yeah, see you on step 8. Okay, we're back on MrBeast Riddle, and you know what? Let's just start it. So step number 8 is you're gonna go to the voicemail, and you got MrBeast voicemail. Okay, so MrBeast say Yoda like that. So you need to find MrBeast Instagram and access baby Yoda riddle like that, and you're gonna get the next URL. So copy that, and you see the link. Okay, I forgot to follow the guy, so yeah, so follow this. And yeah, so this is the step 8 of the riddle. So we're gonna solve this, the barcode, in the next part. Okay, so MrBeast Riddle step number 9. And yeah, let's just start it. So how are you gonna solve this thing? So you're gonna find the right barcode for this one. So if you refresh this and F12, so you're gonna get this one, get next code or something like that. If you're a programmer, you're gonna get the URL like this, http://mrriddle.api/get next code. That's how you're gonna make the program for this one. You're gonna make requests for its post, right? You're sending a data for that. So in order to pass this, open your console. So one more time, F12 console, and I have the code. So paste this code, and like that, you paste that. Okay, so it failed. So I'm gonna post the video for now. So paste the code on your console. So it will print success, and you're gonna click the address for that. So I'm gonna put the code for this one. So even if you use my URL, it will not work because you need to pass this on your own. So that's it, and I'm gonna post the video for now. Okay, so after you paste the code, you're gonna get success for this one, and yeah, the code will stop. You see this? You click this, so after the success, you see the success right on down, click that, and yeah, so that's how you're gonna pass this riddle. And step number 9, so I'm gonna paste the code on the description so you can run, and you cannot cheat on this one even you have the link or something like that. So yeah, we're gonna go to the step number 10 so we can move forward. So yeah, see you in the next tutorial. Okay, so we're on the step number 10. After you solve the barcode, you got this right, you access this success, so close that. You will be redirect to the phone again, and you're gonna get this video cookies like that, and watch this. And yeah, so after you solve the barcode, you need to access Mr. Cookies.share on Twitter. Okay, this one. So this is the guy, and you're gonna get the link for this one, and access this. And yeah, so that's how you're gonna unlock. You're gonna finish step number 10. It's so easy. And yeah, so see you in step 11. So okay, step number 11. After you access the Mr. Cookies and the link, you will be back on the MrRiddle.com/phone on here, and you're gonna get this text. Click the text and count to the 6969 in the dictionary, and if you go home, you're gonna get the dictionary. You don't need to do this or create a program like APR, something like that. So we already know the code. The password is cub. So go back to the text and type cub. Send it back. Okay. Yeah, so that's step 11. And see you on the next, on step number 12. Okay, after you solve the dictionary, you need to call MrBeast and get the phone. You're gonna type 6936197831. Okay, so let's call it again. 693. I mute the sound, so okay, so after you get the phone call, so basically you need to take all the letter what MrBeast say. It say right who is caller Mr. Or it doesn't matter, you just keep this, copy this, paste it on here, and you're gonna go to the mrriddle.com.apex. So that's how we're gonna solve step number 12. And yeah, see you on step number 13. Okay, so we're back on step 13 of MrBeast. So you're on the mrriddle.com/apex, and you're gonna see this Mr. Bro plus Instagram is equal to not too much to say. So you're gonna go to the on this one on Instagram. So Mr. Bro Spaghetti, and if you click the post, so if you go to the last part, so so Rat has nothing to say. So all of the posts are, so this is the hint, has nothing to say, but the real answer is Rat has much to say. So that's the real URL you should go. And yeah, so that's how we're gonna solve step number 13. You need to go to this link, Rat has much to say. And yeah, see you on step 14. Okay, so after you access this on the last part, so Rat has much to say, you're gonna answer this. So what's the, I understand now that use this charge tower to power the island further. The answer, experiment. Okay, so that's how we're gonna solve step 14, and see you on step 15. Okay, so after you solve the last part, the experiment, you're gonna go to this URL, and you cannot access this if you did not solve this one. So type dust crease moisture, so that's the answer. I'm gonna leave the link for this one so you can follow. So moisture, and enter. And yeah, so that's step 15. See you on step 16. Okay, so step 16, go back to the MrRiddle.com and phone. Go to your phone, and you're gonna do is you got the Firestore, and you're gonna call something. So it's already on clue. Do you know the kanji on the step 0? Okay, so this the hint. 2739 53436. Okay, so this written on kanji in Japanese, so we're gonna call this one and 2739 53436. Okay, you're gonna hear this thing. You're gonna press 2. Okay, so that one more time. I'm gonna pawn. Gonna 2739 53436. Okay, so we're gonna press 1. Okay, so you're gonna only call the number and press 2. That's it, that's step 16. Okay, so step 17. So same number, we're gonna call MrBeast number. So 2. Okay, so wait. Our clue for this one is on your text. You got pre-store. Remember this because we're gonna convert it on the keypad. So keypad pre-store is 373378673. I already write this. So this is the same on typing your keypad. I'm gonna close this one. Go back. So we're gonna call MrBeast 2739533436. And we're gonna use this one keypad, and we're gonna type that 3733786673. Okay, we got William Shakespeare. We're gonna access this. Okay, so this is how we're gonna solve step number 17. So yeah, see you in step 18. Okay, step 18. So we're gonna find subscribe to MrBeast. This should be easy. And SUBSCRI. Subscribe. Where's the two? Where's MrBeast? MrBeast. And yeah, so that's so easy. That's how we're gonna solve step 18 on MrBeast Riddle. So if you don't know, you post the video, and yeah, it's not random, it's static, so you can copy and find it more easily on this step. Okay, so we're back, step 19. So if you solve the subscribe to MrBeast on step number 18, you're gonna get a number, and this one, you should remember this, and this one too. So these two are how you gonna say it, be useful later on, this one and this one. So we're gonna go back to the phone, access to your phone, so mrriddle.com and phone, and what we're gonna do is text, we're gonna message, see this thing, and we're gonna 588-968-8823, and we're gonna message the 839263. Okay, so we're gonna get this one, and yeah, so that's step number 19 for this one. And yeah, see you on step 20. Okay, so step 20, and you're gonna get this link, open this one, and yeah, so how are you gonna solve this? So CC is times, and you're gonna message it. So basically, how many CCs were caption for this one? So 89 times 42069 is equal to 3744141. Close that one. We're gonna text it 3744141 and send. And yeah, so that's how we're gonna solve step 20, and see you in the next video. Okay, so step 21. So after you put the code on step 20, you're gonna be sent on this one, Carl's favorite game. And how we're gonna pass this game? And yeah, so this is a Flappy Bird game, and you need to get 101 to pass this. So how we're gonna do this is we're gonna install the tempermonkey.net. So you should be pay attention what I'm gonna do, because this thing's gonna get tricky. So we're gonna do they call it on programming XXL. So I don't like to Okay, so they call it XXS attack on website, and I don't like to call it XXS. I'm gonna call it JavaScript injection. So we're gonna inject this code to the browser, so we can hack the game itself. So basically it's so easy to do this, and if you just pay attention to what I'm gonna do, because I already have 101, because I already installed this thing on my first attempt. So yeah, let's just start it anyway. So first you're gonna install the tampermonkey.net. Okay, so don't ever try this on any website or something like that. If you're a programmer, you can hack anybody's or game or something like that and tweak, and it's only for educational purpose anyway. And you know what, let's just start it. So first go to the Google Store, web store. Okay, so we're on the Google Web Store, and you're gonna type tampermonkey. So type tampermonkey, something like that, and install this one, tampermonkey. Install it on your Chrome extension. It should be work right now. Close that, and what you're gonna do is you need to open this. This is the tampermonkey, and you're gonna create new script, and you see this https MrRiddle.com and Carl, and type your author like that, and you're gonna paste this entire code on here. It will work. Okay, so just do this. It's on my comment. I pinned the comment, and it's on the description. So you're gonna do is copy that, paste entire code, and you see the file. You're gonna file, save. Okay, so I have too many user script. So you're gonna do is click your created file and go to developer. It's not developer, settings. So you're gonna run document on start, because we want to run this when we start or access that. Start, run only on the top of a frame, leave it default like that, and you're good to go. So it's running on this website. So you need to do is refresh, and you see this. Okay, you see this meaning your code is running in the background. So that's the way you're gonna compile thing, and go to that installed script like that. So you can modify this as you like. So this is the how back on 2010 like that, 2015. Do you know, you see the game that being hacked? This is the trick they use on any web game like this. And yeah, so if you see your score 101, right? So we're gonna change that to 103. So we're gonna have a new high score. File, save this, and we refresh this. 101, and we got 103 now. So Okay, so it's loading so slow, so you need only 103 to pass this, and you need to type the code 103 on there and you're good to go. Okay, so wait. Okay, 103. So it's mean we already passed, and this is how you're gonna pass this part. And yeah, so we're gonna go to the next challenge, step 22. Okay, so on MrBeast step 22, after you finish Carl's game that you have 103 or more score, like that. After you finish this game, you're gonna access this match. I'm gonna leave this in the description. Okay, so you don't forget to add slash because the that's how it works, so you need to add slash. Okay, so that's how we're gonna access on step 22. You need to finish the Flappy Bird game and you can access this website now. Okay, so see you on step 23. We're gonna solve that in two different way. And yeah, see you on the next. So I'm gonna leave this link to the on the description. Okay, so we're back on part step 23 of MrBeast. So you need to make 69 seconds on this one. You're gonna click and start. And okay, so there's when I first solve this thing, I make a macro. So if you don't know what this macro is, you're just gonna click this and on that position with time. So you can download any kind of macro out there, or you can just code with just 20 line of code. So that's how we can do it on programming way. And not all of you are programmer, so there's no way I can explain you what is pip in Python, and you need to install the PYAU, that Python GUI like that. There's no way I can explain that for a regular person. That's absolute boring. And so there's a JavaScript version that you're gonna paste it on the browser. It's the easiest way. So I'm gonna copy that. We're not gonna do the macro thing. Maybe on the future. If you're a programmer, just mail me. We're gonna do it, or watch my old video that solved the step 23 that I use macro there. And you know what? Copy this code. So go to this page, F12, go to the console and paste the code like that. And just don't do anything. Just wait until the program is done. So we need to wait 69 seconds for this. So I'm gonna post. So you know what? Let's watch this until it hits on 69. You don't need to do anything if you paste the code there. Okay, we're done. You see that? Okay, so that's how you're gonna beat the game. I'm gonna paste the code in the description, and yeah, see you on step 24. So we're already on the final challenge on step 24. Okay, so we're back. So this is how we're gonna solve step 24. So basically, if you see this, like there's so many website, right? So there's a, if you can program this, like you don't need to program this thing. So and you're gonna get all of the code like that, and you're gonna get something like this on the middle. You're gonna get that. So I did not finish the program yet, and so I'm gonna give you the link for this one. So this is the link. So that's how you're gonna solve step 24 so easily. You don't need to program this. Access this, and yeah, you're ready to go to the final step. And yeah, step 24, access this, you're good to go. So you know what, I'm gonna give it you the final page, what it looks like. Okay, yeah, so that's it. So this is the final step on the next one. Okay, see you on step 25. Okay, so we're on step 25. So this is the final step. So you have to put all the key codes. So basically I'm gonna show you where's the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth code location, so you can write it. You know what, let's just start it. So the first one is on the step 0, on that. Okay, Z. So that's our first code. Our second code's locations on the on this URL. Okay, Q. So our code is Q, and it's on the home page. Okay, 7, this one. And on the message, if you scroll up on here, and you're gonna get this one, X, and Shakespeare on the, open that, and this is your pip code, C. And last one on the thousands, copy this, and you got the 6 code. So like that. And yeah, so we're gonna go back on here, put all the codes. So you're gonna type Z, Q, 7, X. So all the code are different on this one. So even you copy this, it doesn't matter because you don't have the how you say it, phone number or something like that. So submit. And yeah, so okay, on this part you get okay, success. Did you win? Maybe or your course to the finish line has been recorded. Seeing this message is good sign. Send me the information below. I'll give you a call if you want. Okay, so this is the you gotta put your number on this one. So you know what, it's up to you. You write your code here. See you on the last step, step 26. Okay, so after you, how you gonna say it, submit the code for MrBeast, there's a one step that you should do is go to this website. Congratulations, and subscribe to MrBeast and comment and paste your code there. I don't know, maybe you need to paste your code there so they can verify it. You know what, click this thing, click this congratulations, and you see your code, type your code there like ZQ7XCB, something like that, and comment it. Yeah, something like that. So that's the last part. I'm gonna give the link for this video so you can easily access that. So yeah, so this all the MrBeast 1 to 26 steps. And yeah, so subscribe and like.